Two collision rule situations occurring here. Look ahead. You've got the one coming at us, which is head-on or nearly head-on situation. Actually, he's going to pass clear down my port side, but if it wasn't clear, I'd make that bold alteration, of course, to starboard. Look now, to make it perfectly obvious to him what I'm doing, so as to result in passing at a safe distance. The other collision situation occurring here is the boat right ahead, going in the same direction as us. This is an overtaking situation. Rule 13. What that says is that any vessel overtaking any other vessel, so it doesn't distinguish between sailing boats, fishing boats, or anything else. Okay? Very important. As you know, powerboats almost always give way to sailing boats, but the rule says any vessel overtaking any other vessel shall keep out of the way of the vessel being overtaken until she is finally passed and clear. It also says that any subsequent alteration of the bearing between the vessel being overtaken and the vessel overtaking shall not make the vessel being overtaken a crossing vessel, such that I might then say, oh, I'm now stand up. In other words, if I get halfway past him and he alters course towards me, I don't then get to say, oh look, now it's a crossing situation and now he's give way to me so I get to keep going. That's not how it works. Once you're overtaking until you are finally passed and clear. Okay? You're deemed to be overtaking when you're coming up with the other vessel from a direction that matches the same arc as your stern light. You know your stern light has a specific arc of degrees across the back of your boat. If you're inside that arc, you're overtaking. If you're outside that arc, it's a crossing situation. So that's overtaking. Look how gorgeous this is. We're here in Croatia.